Today I'm going to talk about a Digest-zen or Zen-just in Canada first aid kit DIY. So super duper simple here. So first thing I'm going to show you is what I have kicking around my bag and my purse all the time. It's just this little cloth thing that I picked up, and all it does is hold these little tiny vials, and in here is Digest-zen because I don't want to go anywhere without it. Because if you get that stomach upset or diarrhea feeling or super bloat or you ate too much, this, especially traveling, I do not travel without this little guy. So this is one way I have it, but say this stays in one bag, I for sure will not travel without a roller bottle. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a little roller bottle of Digest-zen as your kind of first aid kit when you travel or when you're out and about and you've eaten something or your stomach just suddenly starts to not agree with you. So first of all, doTERRA does their own roller bottle, so it's already pre-diluted if you don't want to DIY. But I have my own already that I've DIY'd myself. So, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. All you're going to do is get a 10 milliliter roller bottle. It looks like this, and it comes with a little stopper like this, and then the lid that goes on after the stopper's in. So when it's open like this, all you're going to do is take your Digest-zen, whoops, dropping it, your Digest-zen, and drop in about, I would do, say about 15 to 20 drops, and then you're taking your coconut oil and you're topping it to the top or 3/4 of the way full after that. And then all you do is you take this stopper, which has a glass, or sometimes they have metal ones. The metal and the glass ones are better. If you get the plastic rollers, they tend to break down and not hold as well. And you're putting that until it's stopped in, and then you've got your lid to put on. You just mix it up, and then you've got it good to go, rolling onto your abdomen, rolling onto anywhere that that needs some soothing. It would take, I would say, about 10 to 15 minutes to really notice a big difference when you've rolled it on topically. And but this is an oil you can also take internally. That's why, aside from the roller bottle, I like to have the little tiny guy here. So if you've ever had those awful stomach upsets and all sorts of reasons why, then that's your go-to. You can have this little guy and get a drop out of it to put in your water or directly into your mouth to take internally, or you've then got a roller bottle that's really easy to put on topically on your abdomen or wherever you are hurting to get your relief. So super easy. You can get these roller bottles in your back office in doTERRA. You can order them online. You can even get them on Amazon. I use My Essential Biz sometimes to buy them in bulk because I use them for my customers and making for my family and stuff. And then these little ones, I think you can get these too in your doTERRA back office, or you can probably get them online through Amazon or myessentialbiz.com as well. So super easy, and I don't go anywhere without that stuff. So have a great day. Mwah!